Hello guys, with a microphone. Where's my friend? Bruh. Oh, that's where he is. Bruh. That's what he looks like. Let's not go yet. It was a big world. There's so much. What? I think he said a bad word. Okay, I'm going to my friend. Bruh, they're going so long. I'm. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. That was not the girl. Okay, this is what we really want. Why? Why only six? Why only six? Why only six? At least we're in game right now. At least the players didn't leave, bro. Bro, if they leave, I'm going to rage quit. Actually. Oh, there's a cute pebble. And there's somebody playing as my avatar. I want to go. Oh, I want to go. I want to go. Okay, that's good. Stop saying bad words. B. What the? What the? What he's saying? What he's saying? What he's saying? Okay. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. I do not wanna. Oh, medkit. I have 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 medkit. Yay! No, 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 no. You don't lead it to me. Yes! Okay, I have a medkit first try. First round medkit. Medkit, bro. Medkit. The distractor right now is literally someone at a slow speed. Mm. We do not have taken technical issues because I have a medkit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I'm gonna say. You know what I'm gonna say. Don't you dare lead. Bruh. They not go to me. What the? How amazing. I don't need anything. Oh my gosh. He's on one foot. Ah, he's so cute. He's so cute. But he's on. Bruh, I thought you were distracting. How? You're so cute, but you have only one heart left. Somebody left. Bruh. Let's go. Oh no. Hi. Amazing. Amazing. Amazing work. Wait. My screen is not moving somehow. Don't you dare bring her to me. I mean, don't you dare bring her to me. Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. I got far. I think this. Oh no. I have seen this before. And I'm going to pick up this chocolate. No, 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 and do not. If I see a rabies kid, yeah, I'm probably dead. Oh my gosh, that guy has no eyes. Oh no, I have. Huh? Why do not they see me? Bruh, how do they not see me? Nag-vlog ako po. Let's go, but I will be seen, I think. I do not have that super speed yet. I do not have super speed. Let's go. Bruh, someone is healing, I think. But I don't know anyone who heals. Go finish one! You're so good. You're so lame. Oh no. 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 No. I don't want to use this, but I want to use this. Yes. I just have stuff. I don't know why I just choose this. I have med, I don't care. I have, if I get one health, boom, med kit. Bro, I'm going to save up for 3 medkits. I need med. I really, really need med. Oh my gosh. So basically, this guy wants a remote from V. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. That was actually so close. That was so close. Sound barrier, please. Just finish him, please. I really need a help bar. I need a help. Bro, you were. Don't you know? Let's wait today. Let's wait today. Today. They all died. I don't know how. I think there's a. Okay, let's go. I think I'm gonna die. I think I'm gonna die. There's flutter. There's flutter. Okay, I died before I have no life left. So bye guys.